Day in a home. I'm your host Will and Cloud. Welcome back to the Villamobile video. This time we're gonna change the shocks and the springs for the back. The car has drooped and exactly this side. Now let me show you how you can look what's wrong with the back without being a mechanic, because I'm not a mechanic. Tape measure. Get this done and you will see. Now follow me along. You can measure from the center of your hub till the top. If you measure it, it should be like, where is the sign ends? So this is 34 centimeters. Let's go to the other side. In the middle. So you can see this is 35. So it dropped by 1 point something centimeters. See, this is straight in the middle. So that side of the car collapsed. It means the shock absorber or the spring is gone. But I bought all of it, so we will change both shock absorbers and springs. Put a straight line through the roof, as straight as possible, and you look at the car. My car is not straight, my car is a bit angled like this. So that side is drooped down. And I have the fix for that. These are all the things that I will change. This is the spring. This is the top for the shock absorber. This is the shock absorber, by the way. If you don't know how a shock absorber looks like this. This is a BMW's rear shock absorber. That's the top bushing for here. And this is the boot that protects this metal. So you need a boot and this to protect the metal. So no dirt, grime or anything goes in there and ruins your shock absorber. If this fails on your car, soon your shock will get damaged too. So get part of this. I should have gotten 2 nuts for this, 2 new nuts, and for the bottom one, but I didn't know. I read my manual. By the way, if there is possible in your country, buy this kind of manual. Haynes manual. This gives you all the torques and everything. As for me, you can see here I marked even. Shock absorber lower mount bolt. It needs 100 Newton meters, or it's even the piston rod nut, it's 14 Newton meters. Newton meters is something what you use torque wrench for. This is a torque wrench. You adjust here. Once you get enough torque, it will make a click click sound, click click. As I tried already once to remove the shocks and it didn't work. I bought something like this. No, not that, not that. It's this. And I bought this gun. And I watched a video where to put front or reverse. And she said put it in reverse to open the lug nuts. It's in front, by the way, see? It's front is clicked in and this is reverse, this is front. Look, I'm in front now, so it should tighten it all up, yeah? Yeah, it did tighten it up, didn't it? So people are lying on the internet. Just to get views, they are lying on the internet. Thanks, by the way. I almost drilled my screws in. Let me get a flashlight for you. Now you can see that this should be up here. But it's rusted. Firstly, it's rusted. And this shock, I think it's gone. See, it should be all... It should sit like this. But it doesn't. And we need to undo this bolt. And the spring is just here. As you can see. The spring doesn't look that bad. But we will take it out. Here's the spring. Here's the shock. So let's see how it comes out. Welcome back. It's been a week. And as you can see, I'm still here. But things have changed, obviously. I have changed clothes, and as you can see, that wheel is on. You ask, what's going on? Did you change them? Nope. There is no point of changing something if you can't undo the first bolt. I took the wheels off and I took everything out from the boot. Everything. But you cannot change suspension or anything if the first bolt is so rusted in there that even an impact gun or your weak muscles, like these ones, like weak muscles, can't undo the first bolt. This week, all the week, I've been putting a penetrating fluid on the one bolt I cannot remove. And before I remove wheels and everything else, these are the bolts I had to remove first. One is here, one is there. If you cannot remove those two bolts, that one and that one, you cannot do anything. So all your hand fingers and your feet fingers, put them across like this, so these two bolts come out. Come on, come on, come on, bitch. Yes, yes, you fucker. Yes. Bolt, you fucking lost. You lost. Manpower is better than fucking tools. This impact gun is shit. Check this out. Impact gun. You can finish it. Because I did everything. Muscles for the win. Muscles win. Yes! Bolt. This is the bolt which was stuck. This is the fucking bolt. Hello, I am shock absorber. Hello. See, this was here. Oh, this is the wrong shock. This is the wrong shock absorber. Somebody put wrong shock absorbers. That's why it is so hard to remove this bolt. Oh yes. Now we can take the shock absorber out actually. And how you do it is from the top. It's from the top. Right here behind is the top strut. See, I won. See this plate? This plate is meant to be on the back or on the front, so it doesn't rust well together. What happened to that? Firstly, the difference between a good shock and a bad shock. This shock is completely gone. Once you press down, the shock, it should raise up. See? I fully pressed it in. The shock absorber is fully pressed in now. It's not coming out. That's the old shock absorber. Let's check the new one. First, it's really hard to press in and look at this. It has a boner. It raises. It raises. It raises. I need to do this 4 times. So the shock absorber gets on with it. So he has a good party. Now, like this and... Don't give me a ball shot, please. You need to activate the shock absorber. And look, we have a new screw. How kind and how nice. So do this 4 or 5 times. So it's fully extended. Then give it another squeeze. Come on, bitch. Get in. Activate. I'm activating you. What a boner. What a boner. This is fully extended. And one more time. How you like that? Look at this. My boner. My boner. It's getting big. It's getting bigger. My boner is unstoppable. Oh, it finished, sorry. See, it just comes out. And this one, let's see if I can pull it out. Oh my. Look, I press it in. Come out. Come out. Boner. Look, I don't have any boner anymore. I need to pull out, wait. I'm an old guy, I need to pull out my boner. I pulled it out. That's what you call a bad shock. This is a bad shock absorber. See, it's not coming out itself. It's not coming out. Guys, we did it. We actually did it. I'm so relieved and so tired at the same time. Now I know why mechanics charge you so much. Actually, they have it easier. They have lifts. They have all the tools to do it. And they charge it. Well, yeah, because they bought the tools and the lift and everything else. But yeah, it's done. Everything is done. Now the Villamobile is stiff. It's hard and it's ready to go. It's ready to drift. I won't drift, obviously. I'm a normal citizen who doesn't do anything dodgy when it's nighttime. What? Don't look at me like that. You know it, but I do it all. We won. The battle is won. I won against two bolts. I started this at 4 o'clock. Now it's almost 9. So 5 hours. And last time I spent 4 hours just trying to remove the bolts. So together 9 hours, but how I actually did and everything else, it's 5 hours, plus recording. Usually thanks to WD-40, to the Heinz manual what I have. It's awesome to have something like that. It showed me for the springs which way to put it, because on the internet they do it wrong or they don't do normally. It's awesome to have fuck wax, where is all the dirt and everything. Clutch and brake cleaner. Those are the best things you can have. It's pretty awesome. And look at the soldiers who died. Both shock absorbers, by the way, both of them are dead. As you can see, I forced them in and they haven't came out. Springs, they're all right, but as I have 2 new ones and you can easily change them, pretty good. Now slowly the Villamobile is getting there where I want it to. It's slowly getting there. It needs more time and it needs more money. But for now, all I can give it is time and the money I can spend on it. If you like this, of course, smash that like button. Subscribe for more awesome videos, share the videos with likes so that people can see them too. Don't forget about notification bell. Click it and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye!